right now. Okay? Because now you're making me an idiot.
Come on, Daddy.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content. This guy gets caught trying to break in. Hanging out in jail with a bunch of men isn't the best way to start the new year.
What's up, man? How are you?
Can I help you?
How you doing?
Hi.
I'm Tommy Double R.
I don't know who you are.
Oh, okay.
Be careful what you leave in your truck bed, especially if you have to leave it open. These trucks should come with a cover. This man pretty much ended their robbing spree for the day. He chased them till they crashed.
Hey, why are you stealing that? Hey! Why are you stealing that? Hey! Stealing! He's stealing! Stealing!
How you doing? How you doing? Now, I asked you to move the cars and you put two more.
How can I move the cars?
You got to pull them out right now. Otherwise, he's going to put summonses on all and I'm going to tow them. You got to do it right now. Okay? Because now you're making me an idiot.
Oh, yeah. This is my driveway.
No, it's not your driveway. We went through this. There's an easement. It's half hers and half yours. You cannot block this driveway.
Okay, show him with the picture.
I saw it already. We discussed this Monday. I don't care what you see. I saw an architect drawing, okay? And I saw the surveyor. Monday, you go to the office, we'll straighten it out. Until then, move the cars or I'm going to put summonses and tow them. That's it. We had an agreement. We talked about this, and you put two more cars.
Okay. I'm
Pull them out right now. Every one of them right now, or I'm going to put summonses and tow them. I'm not going to keep coming back and forth here all night. This is ridiculous. Come on. We made an agreement. Get them out now. Here you go. Back this up. Put it over here. They're not towing, so you don't have to worry about stickers. They don't tow till Sunday night.
This lady comes out just in time and saves her neighbor's package.
Is that for me? Get the fucking thing! No, sí. Oh, sí, no, es ese de ahí. Ellos están ahí. Yo pensé que era el mío. Ok. Thank you.
Please be aware of your surroundings when you're walking alone, especially at night. This guy fires 3 shots trying to rob this man. And let me know what you think down in the comments. Would a gun help you in this situation?
My God! My God! My God! Alivarma! Give me a water. Alivarma! Give me a water. Alivarma! Give me a water. Alivarma! Alivarma! Give me a water. Alivarma! Alivarma! Give me a water.
Get off the property. Get off the property.
Going straight in the clip, nigga. 100%. You gonna drop that stupid right there, nigga. 100%. Going straight in the fucking clip. Fuck you, dumb bitch. Going straight in the clip, 100%.
100% mental health.
Bum ass nigga that just be overcoming niggas. I'm not with none of that, nigga. I'm not with none of that, nigga.
Hello, you can get off of the yard. But hello, what the fuck? What the fuck? Seven. 1 through 3, HC7.
Is there a problem?
Yeah, get the fuck away from my car, bitch! Come back over, I'm gonna shoot your ass! Somebody took off running down there.
Hey, sir. Hey. Hey. Hello? Hey. Hello?
If you do DoorDash or Uber Eats, be careful leaving your car running. You never know anybody's intention, and there's always someone watching.
What's up? Hi. Are you fucking kidding me? Jesus fucking Christ.
Get the fuck out. Please leave.
I feel like this guy wanted
Hello?
to do the right thing, but changed his mind since he seen they wasn't home.
Yeah, who is this?
Is this this house on the red truck?
What? Yeah, that's my red truck.
I said, it's the owner of the... Huh?
Yeah, what about it?
I can't hear you.
What about it?
Huh?
What about it?
I can't hear you.
Well, I don't know what to say. What do you want? What about it?
It was an accident.
Huh?
I can't
can't hear you.
What you
I can't
say?
hear you.
Just put a note on my door about what you want. What you want? Look, I'm not at
I
home.
can't. I can't hear you.
I'm not at
I
home.
I'll leave my name, my number, right? Okay.
Yeah, all right.
As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Please be safe out there. Don't forget to lock those doors. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.
Hello. Hello.
I know a lot of people bought scooters or received scooters as gifts. Don't forget to buy a chain with it also. Lock them up or bring them inside.
We go.
I'm just saying. That's crazy. Crazy.
Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.